In this video, I will show you how to add a Discord link to your YouTube description so your viewers can easily join your community with just one click. Now, to get started, as you can see, we've currently got Discord opened. So what you want to do is open up Discord, and then you want to click to go into your server. And once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto your server name just up here. From this menu that comes up, you want to come and click where it says invite to server. Now, what that's going to do is bring up your friends list like this. From here, what you want to do first is come down to the bottom, and you want to click the link first of all here where it says edit invite link. Now from here, it's important that you change this first option, so where it says expire after, you want to change this to never. This means that when you add the link to your YouTube description, it's always going to be active and it's not going to expire. If you want, you can set the maximum number of uses, so this is how many people can click on the link before it expires. But again, if you don't want it to expire, just click onto no limit. And once that's done, you can just click the generate a new link button. Now, once you've done that, your link's going to be generated. What you want to do is click the blue copy button down here at the bottom, and we now have our Discord link ready to put into our YouTube description. So at this point, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to youtube.com and log into the account that you want to add your Discord link to. Then if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click onto your profile icon, and from this menu just come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and select the option which says customization. From here, scroll down, and what you're going to see is information about your channel. And if you want to add the link to your description, you can see you've got the box here. So you can of course come into here and paste the Discord link into here. You can put something like join my Discord server, something like this, or alternatively what you can do if you come down a bit further, you can see there is a section for links. So you can also add the link here. For example, you could put Discord server as the name of the link in the link title, and then you would put your link into the second box here. Now, once you've done that, click on to publish, and what it's going to do is save your changes. So if we now come to my channel, and in the link section, what that basically does, it adds it underneath your description. So you can see it says here, my links, and if we give this a click, you're going to see my Discord link here as well. And we've also got that in the actual description here as well, but the difference is when you add it to your description, it's not clickable. If you add it as an actual link, it's going to appear in the link section below your description, but it will be a clickable link. So that is how to add a Discord link in your YouTube description. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.